we'll guide you through how to sign up for Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website by typing vercel.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see a sign up button at the top right corner. Click on that, and it will take you to the sign up page. Here, you have a few options for creating your account. You can choose to sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, which is very convenient if you're a developer using these platforms. Simply click the button for your preferred service, and you'll be prompted to authorize Vercel to connect with your account. If you don't have any of these, or prefer not to use them, you can sign up using your email. For this, click on Continue with Email. Enter your email address in the field provided, then click Continue. Vercel will send you a verification email, so you need to open your email inbox and look for an email from Vercel. Click on the verification link in that email to confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Vercel, where you can complete any remaining setup steps, like choosing your preferred username and accepting the terms of service. Now, you're all set to start using Vercel for your deployments and projects. Don't forget to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with all the tools and features Vercel has to offer, like deploying your projects and managing your team settings. And there you have it. You're now signed up and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.